Can we appreciate the national troupe? They just came out to display the various diversification of our culture. Thank you very much, from the west to the north and to the north central. Thank you, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Away from dancing, we have another talent to come out and do the spoken word. The giant has risen. Let's welcome John Wakawa. Can we put our hands together for John Wakawa?
Your Excellencies, just as John Wakawa is making his way here, it is pertinent then to recognize the President of the Republic of Ghana. I would like to welcome Your Excellency, President Nana Akufo-Addo. Please, a round of applause for him, as we also recognize the presence of the former First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, Dr. Miriam Abacha. We welcome you. Ambassador Gilbert Chaguri, we welcome you. Mr. John Grumantos, we also welcome you. Thank you for coming. John Wakawa, please.
In this land of beauty and grace, we dream of a future that we can embrace, where we can retrace the mistakes of our past, escape from the doldrums that have lasted so long, and at last, with one voice, we can sing a victory song. In this land called the Giant, where the sun rises and sets on a people so blessed, we dream of a new dawn where our hopes and aspirations are reborn. We dream of a land where justice and equity reign, where it rains showers of peace and love, where the voices of the youth are heard and they are empowered with the keys to their future, and every child can unlock the potentials they nurture. We dream of a land where diversity is celebrated, our differences become our strength, united, not separated, where the cords of unity form the bonds that bind us together, such that we can weather every storm because we are better together. We dream of a land where corruption is made unattractive. That hideous monster that has held us captive is finally stumped under the feet of patriotism as our leaders march on to serve with altruistic resolve, as our leaders solve the perennial puzzles that has trapped us in a maze of misfortune, as our leaders resolve to make progress and development the goal, and everyone proudly join in to play their role. Now the giant is risen. It's his time. He has come, determined to build that future we seek, forging a path through the bleak jungle of despair to unveil a nation reputable among the committee of nations. Nigeria, the giant has risen with a fire that burns bright and true, igniting the spark of patriotism in the hearts of a people determined to succeed, planting seeds of hope for a nation rebirthed through and through. Where in spite of all that blooms, our hope blooms like the fluorescent flowers on our coat of arms. Where in spite of the challenges that abound, we remain a people who overcome over and over again. Now it has come, our time has come to face our adversities until we have won. For we are a people so resilient, with spirits unbroken, a heritage and a history that can never be stolen. This is our time. Let us ignite our hope, for indeed there is hope for a brighter tomorrow, rich in resources to lend and not borrow. For we are Nigeria, the giant of Africa, and now the giant is risen. It's our time. Our time has come.
Indeed, it is our time, and the time has come. The time is here. Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, standing by the already established protocol, I'd like to first of all call your attention to the fact that we are being watched from across the world on very many television stations. I would like that we conduct ourselves in that manner. And in the light of that, we'd like to crave an indulgence. So please take your seats as we begin to get into the groove of this very dinner event, the inaugural dinner event in honor of the 16th President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which will be happening a few hours from now. But just before then, Your Excellencies, if you have seen any form of cultural performance in Nigeria, for non-Nigerians, you are yet to see this one. There's a female drummer. She's won so many awards, encomiums, and laurels across the globe. She's proudly Nigerian, because if your hands are not very busy, I'd like that you please join me in welcoming this woman who is going to make the difference with her performance tonight. Please join me. Let's welcome Ara, the drummer, with a resounding applause, please.
Talking drummer on world stage. It is my pleasure to be here today. The title of my song is Keep Nigeria One. Thank you. It's a task for everyone to keep Nigeria one. It's a task that must be done to keep Nigeria one. It's a task for you and me to keep Nigeria one. It's a task for all of us. Nigeria one. It's a task for everyone to move Nigeria forward. It's a task that must be done. We are better together. Nigeria, we are one. To keep Nigeria one. It's a task for everyone. Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this point I'd like to bring on stage the youngest female talking drummer and the second youngest female talking drummer. As the first female talking drummer on world stage, it is imperative for me to keep our culture alive, to keep our culture going. Ayomura. Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all female talking drummers in Nigeria, we say thank you to our father, His Excellency, Muhammadu Buhari. Thank you, we love you. I hope somebody can accept this on your behalf, sir. This is for you, as a symbol of our culture, the talking drum. I'd like for someone to receive this on behalf, of His Excellency. While I await that, our father, the incoming President, His Excellency, Bola Tinubu, máa dún, a máa dùn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń lù, a máa dún, a máa dùn, a dùn mọ́ Elédùmarè nínú, a dùn mọ́ àwa obìnrin nínú, a dùn mọ́ gbogbo ìlú, ọ̀dọ́ ìlú, àgbà ìlú, oyún inú, gbogbo ọmọ adíláwọ̀ káàkiri gbogbo ilẹ̀ ayé fún president elect wa àgbẹ̀ fún yín.
Thank you very much, the very talented talking drummer, Ara. Thank you. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. With the kind permission of Mr. President, I've been asked to describe what Ara means. Ara simply means wonders. Ara is known as the goddess of the talking drum. She is a special gift to creative arts in Lagos State, the state of the president-elect. One more time, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Ara.
Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. At this point in time, let me first of all start by welcoming the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency Dr. Aisha Buhari. I'd like that we please welcome her with a resounding applause. Having recognized her, please, I'd like to, with the kind permission of the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, invite the President-elect, Your Excellency Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, to please come to the stage. And he's going to be coming along with his wife, the wife of the President-elect, Senator Oluremi Tinubu. Your Excellencies, please join us here for a very brief presentation that is going to be done. And we also invite the Vice President-elect, Your Excellency, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima, GCON, and your wife, the wife of the Vice President-elect, Hajia Nana Kashim Shettima, to please join us. As you come up, we'll then invite Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency Dr. Aisha Buhari, to please join them here. Can we please invite the First Lady to please join them? Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Can we please give Her Excellency and their Excellencies a befitting round of applause, please? We'll be needing the microphone here. Their standing here is to unveil, and Her Excellency will take us through that. Can we have a handheld mic very quickly for Her Excellency? Please give us some volume. Thank you, Your Excellency, ma'am.
A very good evening to His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and his dear wife, distinguished Excellencies, the Presidents of other African countries that are here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to stand on the existing protocol. We are here celebrating our last function, me and my husband, or my husband and I. This is our last banquet hall, our last gathering. And I would like to present a pictorial book that contains all the pictures of the campaign before the elections. So we put the pictures together in order to form a very fantastic memory for good memories for our supporters. They have all their pictures in it. Thank you so much. We are going to unveil it now. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the official unveiling of this book. Renewed hope, greater together. The official presentation. Can we give Her Excellency, the First Lady of Nigeria, a bigger round of applause, please? I'm sure at the end of this event, our very distinguished guests will be able to go home with a copy each.
Thank you very much to the mother of the nation, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Muhammadu Buhari. He has put a compendium together for the president-elect to always remind him of the journey throughout the campaigns that resulted to his emergence as the 16th president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, ma'am. She has also said that everyone in this hall tonight will be going home with a copy of the book. While that is going on, dinner is being served. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I now have the singular honor and privilege to invite the man of the moment to come forward and give us his special remarks. If our hands are not too busy, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, with a resounding applause, can we welcome His Excellency Bola Tinubu, GCFR, the President-elect of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.